that Auntie Sheila and Uncle Paul made for us. Thank you, Auntie
Sheila and Uncle Paul.
And we also got these mugs. It looks like this, and we each got one, and it has our name on the back. Me?
So thanks again.
Yeah.
You guys ready? You guys ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, let's get started.
Before we get started, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell. And also stay tuned for Odin's antics.
All right, let's go.
No, he meant to say my antics.
Say my antics. All right. You ready to draw, guys? Yeah? Okay, we're going to draw a penguin today, so we're going to start with an oval.
Okay.
Nice big oval for everybody, okay? Good job. Everybody did great.
Okay. What?
Okay, now we ready for the next step?
Yep.
Okay. So, we're going to make like an M in shape, M shape in the middle. This is gonna be, it's gonna kind of look like a hairline, but penguins don't have hair. So it's like an M shape in the middle. And then what you wanna do is you wanna keep the same distance away from the edge of your oval. You wanna go all the way around. Good job. Nice. Okay. Next step. Let's do his wings, which are just triangles. Okay, they're right triangles. You guys know what a right triangle is?
Yep. If you don't know, just. I want to go triangle.
Yeah, triangle.
I'm pretty sure one's bigger than the other.
It's okay. Guess what? You can fix them because they're black. We're gonna make them black, so you can fix them.
Oh, good. Because I don't really like it. I don't like how that's like that, but I can.
Anything in black we can fix. All right, so we have circle. Oh, good circle.
It's actually really good.
Circle, and then do another circle.
I know how to
Good job. 2 circles.
do it.
You gonna put dots in the middle of your eyes, or are you gonna do your eyes like us? Okay, wait. Then you gotta slow down, okay? Okay. So the next step for the eyes then is gonna be to do this. Put your circles in there, Lance. And we can always adjust the size of these because they're colored black. Okay? Oh look, he already knows what to do. Good job, bud.
Oh, I'm already doing it too.
And then at the top, you're gonna put smaller circles as the reflection of light. Okay, and then color it in black.
It looks really weird
Color it in black.
when it's not.
You're like Landon. You lean right over your work. Nobody can see what you're doing.
Yep.
Okay, let's do the feet. Want to do the feet?
Yeah.
Nose. Let's do the feet.
They're just little nubs.
There's little nubs. You can draw them however you want. I'm gonna draw mine a little wide. You wanna put your feet on, Odin?
Yep.
Put your feet on right down there. One going out this way, and one going out that way. You got little itty bitty feet. Oh, you want it to be there like he's running?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and do it how you want. We gotta do the beak. The last thing's the beak.
Yeah.
Ready? It's just the triangle. That's all it is.
Oh, Dad, I got your pen cap.
And we're gonna use the flat side. We're gonna put, well, just watch. It goes from like the center of one eyeball to the center of another. And then you come down and go up just like that. Right? Nice little triangle. Good job.
Let's start coloring.
We are actually ready for coloring, aren't we? Oh, good job. Now you come down to there and then back up to there. Come down to the dot. Hold on. You see the dot? Go from there straight down to the dot. Right to the dot.
Good job.
That's okay. Now go straight from the end of that line right up to that line.
Odin, do you know what?
All right. Now.
Big beaks equals a lot of cheeseburgers in your mouth.
Now we're ready to color, guys. You ready to color?
Yeah. The big.
That's the big one. Let's color, okay?
Okay.
Eyes like this. Okay. Color all this in black. We're gonna do feet and a nose, and we're gonna just color it real quick together, okay? 2 feet. Mm-hmm. Circle, circle. Just like Daddy did. Just like Landon did. Good. And then one right there. Good. Now we're gonna do a triangle nose, like this one. Yeah, like this one. Right in here. I'll make a dot. And a dot.
Yeah.
And then that dot. Connect all those dots, okay? Connect those dots.
Good.
Good job. Good job. And now connect the last one. Good. Now we just have to use the color. Now we just have to color it. What do we do this time? Bring it in? You want to bring it in?
What do you mean?
Bring it in. Bring it in. Hands in.
No, wait.
Penguins on 3. 1, 2, 3. Penguins! Ready? You guys ready to reveal our penguins?
Yeah! Waddle to them!
Waddle, waddle, waddle. 1, 2, 3. Here's our penguins.
Odin's is a little baby penguin. He doesn't have any wings.
Is it? No, stop covering your face. Is it baby?
Baby.
Yeah, show the camera.
I want the wings.
Oh, you want to put some wings on real quick?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, but I like it. It's so cute. It's
You
like
want to
an
leave it with no wings?
shape. I want to get
You want wings?
Wait, make them.
You want Dad to do it real quick?
Just make them tiny wings.
Little baby wings, okay? Is that better? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Penguins!
Odin's is a little baby penguin.
Yeah,
So-
it's cute.
Okay, what should they do if they liked it, Landon?
Subscribe to our channel.
And?
Wait. Hit the like button.
All right.
All right.
Till next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.